if you don't have borax or the activator, you can. I'm going to write BTS. And you're watching your innovative kids. After a long time, I'm back here. So in this way, I'm going to make a BTS slime. And my holidays started and my exams are finished. So I thought I'll put many more videos for you to watch and be happy. So come on, let me show how to make a BTS fluffy slime. It will be very fluffy and smooth. Smooth like butter, like that. Come on, let's go. So to make that BTS fluffy slime, we need slime activator, some shaving gel, any shaving gel, paint, glue, and some homemade butter clay. It looks like a clay. So let me just say it how to make. You have to take any flour and you have to, like simply we will make donut like that. We have to make it. With that we will take some water and paint and mix it with the dough. That's all. And put it, and that's all. That's the homemade butter dough. So this is our ball. In this only we are going to make. So first, glue. First we will add Fevicol. Any glue you can use, but if you want you can use clear glue, but it won't look that much nice if you add that homemade clay dough. Okay, so first let's add glue. We will also add shaving foam. That's because of that we will add little amount of glue. This much only I'm going to take. If you want to make more, you can put more. And make this only, see, only this much amount. Very small amount. Now we took a little bit of glue. And now we need a bottle. A small bottle. Now we will take that shaving gel. And mix it up. And cut it and pour it into the bottle. We will open it. In this we will add water also. First, let's put the gel. Wow! I like this cleary blue color. Very nice. I like it. Smells so fantastic. Now we will add water. This much amount of my water is okay for this, I think. Now let's shake it. Oh my god, see here, very fluffy. We can put color also in this stage. So if we put the paint inside this, it will mix very well with the slime. So I'm going to put it right now. Also, you can put after making this also yellow paint, lemon yellow. My favorite color pink. Beautiful buttery BTS yellow slime. Yellow shaving cream is very ready for putting with the slime. Come on. Now we had already added the glue. In here we will add this. This looks very fantastic. Wow! Wow! Yee. I like this. Whoa! I like this very much. See how much the shaving foam came. Very nice and beautiful, like the butter. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Smooth like butter. Yeah, that is true. Come, let's grab and let's mix it. I'm so excited. Oh, it looks like ice cream. Anybody who wants ice cream here? Let my sister still see. But that is not a real ice cream. Don't eat it. Now let's mix it. Ah. Nice. See how foamy and it doesn't look like a glue at all. It looks like a foam. Because it is a foam. Shaving foam. That was shaving gel. We added water and we turned it into shaving foam. Just add water into the gel. That's all. Foam came. So once you mix it well, let's add the activator. In slime kit I got this. So any activator you can put. Or else you can put borax. You can take water and put some borax and mix it and put it in this also. I'm putting active. So if you don't have borax or the activator, you can I had put many homemade activators video. So you just search in my video. When the glue and the shaving foam is mixed very well, then it's the time to add the slime activator. It is coming a little bit. Mix. But it's still foam. I think I'd add some more activator. Very sticky. Now, here. 3 drops. Wow, it's very coming. It looks very beautiful. Wow, it looks very nice. It looks very creamy. It's coming a bit, but I have to mix very well. See, I have to mix it. Maybe. Hold here. Akka will hold you. Mix. Very sticky. I'm going to mix very well. Wow, it looks very nice. It looks very nice. Wow. So now to this buttery BTS slime, we are going to